What is up, programmers? Welcome to warm-up question number 5. This is coding practice. If you've never seen this series before, I would recommend that you start with video number 1. But if you're already familiar with programming, then let's just jump right into it. Number 5, let's go. We have a loud talking parrot. The hour parameter is the current hour time in the range of 0 to 23. We're in trouble if the parrot is talking and the hour is before 7, or if the hour is after 20. And we're going to return true if we're in trouble. Okay, so as you probably know, we can start by testing the hour and go from there. So if hour is less than 7, or hour is greater than 20, okay, and then we can start another if statement here. If the parrot is talking, return true, else return false. Okay, so if we're in non-talking hours, okay, before 7 or after 20, we're not allowed to talk. So if the parrot's talking, then we're in trouble. Return true. Else, so the parrot's not talking, return false. Okay, so now let's think about this if statement again. If we're before 7 or after 20, okay, but if we're not, let's do those other ones. If we're not between those hours, okay, we're allowed to talk, so there's no trouble. So we're just going to return false because we're never going to be in trouble outside of the non-talking hours, right? So let's try and run that and see how we go. Okay, so that was correct, but I reckon that we can change this code into a one-liner logical statement. Okay, so let's try and think about it. We want to return whether we're in talking hours and the parrot's talking, or not within those hours. Okay, so let's try to type that out all in one go and see how we go. So return that hour is less than 7, okay, or hour is greater than 20, right? And talking. Okay, so that's one situation. Okay, that's one situation. Otherwise, we're never in trouble, right? Never in trouble. So it's just all false. Okay. And we're going to have to put a semicolon on there, obviously. So, do you reckon we need this all false? Okay, if we're in trouble during this hour, during these hours and talking, then otherwise we're not. So we don't even need this all false. We're just returning whether we're in trouble. So we can actually get rid of that. We can get rid of these brackets now as well because we're not testing against anything else. So this is our lovely one-liner, and thank you for joining me for number 5, programmers. Join me again in the next video for number 6, and make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying this series.